guys, it's Zoom here back with another video. This time we'll be doing my top 5 outdoor kitchens at Epcot's International Flower and Garden Festival of 2023. So let's start off with my first and also second outdoor kitchen. Okay, so here we are at the Citrus Blossom with our tempura shrimp, one of my favorites, and we also have the E.P.C.O.T with our avocado toast. So these are two of my favorite booths. So let's try these two out again. As always, very good. Just very simple. Avocado with toast with some fruits and vegetables on it. But everything else at the E.P.C.O.T, such as the shrimp and grits, their cinnamon roll buns, and also their wax bread with everything fota, that was also very good. So now let's move on to our shrimp tempura, which we have. Also has sesame seeds on it. As always, the shrimp tempura at the Citrus Blossom is very good, especially with its orange chili sauce. Gives it a little bit of spice, but still pretty good. Also was the lemon mandarin pie. That was also pretty good. So now, let's move on to our next booth. Okay guys, so we are here at the Jardin de Fiestas with our Taco Vampiro. Also, another very good one here, which is also the only other one, was our Quesadilla de Flor de Carpientos. Very good. But let's try out our Taco Vampiro. This is one of my top 5 favorite booths for Flower and Garden for this year. I mean, you know what, this thing just goes better when you try it. Oh, flip. Flip. Okay, so everything goes better together very nicely with your banquilla beef, your corn tortilla, which is house-made at the booth. You have your crispy grilled Monterey Jack cheese, your salsa, and taquitos. And then on the side, which you can put in your taco if you please, they have corn with that Monterey Jack cheese. Pretty good on the taco, but I'm also going to try it right now. It's very good. So that was the Jardin de Fiestas with the Taco Vampiro. Okay guys, so we are here at Florida Flesh, which is one of my top 5 for Flower and Garden this year, with our blackened fish slider and also our grilled street corn on the cob. There is 2 grilled street corn on the cob. We got the one which has savory, garlic spread, and spicy corn chips. So since I just said that, we're going to start off with our corn. They are full-sized corns, including their stuff. So let's try it out.
Yeah.
So the corn itself is very good. And then the garlic plays a nice little thing. You give you a nice little sauce to help lower down the spice a bit from these spicy chips. They're pretty spicy. I still have a bit of a tang in my tongue, but it's not the worst. So now let's move on to our blackened fish slider, which has roasted tomatoes, water crabs, and chili aromas on each side. So here it is, and now let's try it out again. Very good. The fish does come with a bit of spice on it, but it's pretty good. The blackened fish, very good. And then so is the roasted tomato and the waters that come on the brioche bun. But in general, it's pretty good. So that was one of my top 5 favorite booths here at Epcot Flower and Garden 2023 with Florida Fresh. Okay guys, so we are here at my final and 5th favorite booth. There are a lot of other great booths, but these were the top 5 that stood out to me. We are here at the Honey Bistro, which is hosted by the National Honey Board. And we have our Honey Mastro Cheesecake, which has honey whipped cream, whipped honey, crystallized honey, honeycomb, dehydrated honey, and your fennel migraine kisses. So let's try it out. Though everything else here, such as the chicken and waffles and also the pollinator flatbread, are very good. So let's try it out. So first we have our pollen mandarin kiss. It's very simple. It's just honey with a bit of white powder on it. Still very good. You can taste the honey. Now we're gonna try a little bit of our honeycomb. That is very like natural honey. Pieces of comb that just add a bit of chewiness, which is pretty good in the way that they present it. Now let's move on to our little our honey whipped cream. It comes with a nice little flower on top. Very good. And now let's move on to our main thing, which is the honey whipped cream with a bit of honey in the center. Honey, it's very good. It's nicely chilled out and it's just very good in general. So that was the Honey Bistro, which was one of my top 5 favorites. Okay guys, that's all for this video, but if you guys want to see my top 5 favorite outdoor kitchens at Food and Wine 2023 at Epcot, make sure that you guys go down there to like, subscribe, turn on the bell to notifications, and